Voyager 1, the spacecraft that decades ago launched from our planet on an almost impossible mission, continues to journey beyond the boundaries we once deemed insurmountable. It has traversed millions and millions of kilometers, crossing regions of space where no other spacecraft has ventured before. But today, Voyager 1 has just transmitted information that challenges everything we thought we knew. At the edge of our solar system, in an area known as the heliopause, Voyager 1 has recorded something scientists are calling an impossible discovery. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1 had a clear mission: to explore the outermost planets of our solar system, collect data, and, one day, perhaps, cross that invisible boundary that separates our solar system from interstellar space. After flying by Jupiter and Saturn, sending us unprecedented images and data, Voyager 1 continued its journey into the unknown. In 2012, it became the first man-made object to officially leave the solar system, crossing the heliopause and entering interstellar space. But now, more than 47 years after its launch, Voyager 1 has surprised us again. It has detected something at the edge of our solar system, something scientists never imagined. The heliopause is the boundary that marks the end of our sun's influence. Beyond this barrier, the solar wind vanishes, and the interstellar vacuum takes over. But what does it really mean to cross this boundary? What lurks on the other side? The heliopause, a protective bubble created by the solar wind, keeps us safe from many dangerous particles coming from the galaxy. But by crossing it, Voyager 1 has been exposed to phenomena that we have never before studied so closely, phenomena that today seem to defy our laws of physics. Recent data from Voyager 1 has puzzled scientists. They have detected fluctuations in the magnetic field, a kind of vibration in interstellar space that, until now, had no explanation. This is surprising because, in theory, that region's magnetic field should be almost constant. But these recent changes suggest that there is unknown activity at the edge of the heliopause, something that, until now, we had no way of detecting. Scientists believe it could be an unknown type of energy, or even an indication that there are forces in deep space beyond our current understanding. What is really happening at the edge of our solar system? Some scientists believe that these fluctuations in the magnetic field could be a form of energy that we have never recorded, a type of echo from the deep universe. But the theories get even more puzzling. Could it be that something external is interacting directly with the solar system? We are faced with the possibility that these magnetic vibrations are responses to phenomena outside the solar system. It is as if the very edge of the heliosphere is responding to a push from outer space. The signals are weak, but repetitive, and present patterns we have not observed before. Another fascinating hypothesis suggests that the heliopause could be squeezed by some kind of energy stream from the Milky Way, or even beyond. This current could be caused by stellar winds from nearby stars, or perhaps by a much more distant and unexplained phenomenon. If this is true, we could be discovering not only a new physical interaction, but also the possibility that the solar system is connected to other parts of the galaxy through these currents. For some scientists, this phenomenon is not just a finding, but a real wake-up call. Voyager may be discovering an energy grid, or something similar, at the edge of our solar system. If these energy streams exist, we are seeing, for the first time, how the solar system connects to the galaxy on a scale we had not anticipated. This could radically change our understanding of energy in the universe. Imagine this, that these forces, or energy currents, create invisible bridges between stars and solar systems, allowing energetic communication between different points in the galaxy. If this is true, we could be on the verge of discovering a fundamental structure of the universe, one that stretches across space and connects the entire galaxy in a cosmic web. The Voyager 1 mission has been, without a doubt, a journey of no return into the unknown. With every signal it sends back, it reminds us of how little we know about the limits of our own system. And although its instruments were designed in the 1970s, their value in space exploration has exceeded all expectations. Voyager 1's technology is antiquated compared to what we have today, but it remains our best tool at the frontier of the solar system. It is recording phenomena we had not even anticipated when it first launched, and it remains our only witness in that remote region. Despite being more than 23 billion kilometers away from us, Voyager 1 continues to send back priceless data. Every little signal we receive is like a distant call from a cosmic frontier. Voyager 1's discoveries drive us to continue exploring, to create spacecraft capable of going even further, and to understand the secrets of the universe. As Voyager shows us the way, humanity prepares to take the next step in interstellar exploration. With each piece of data Voyager 1 sends back, we get a little closer to the time when humans too can cross that frontier. Maybe someday, we'll make it across the heliopause, and discover what's really beyond the edge of the solar system. And not to be missed is a comment from Elon Musk, one of the most influential visionaries in the field of space technology. Elon has closely followed the Voyager 1 breakthroughs and discoveries, and in his own words, "This discovery represents a wake-up call for humanity." Musk has expressed that this Voyager data could fast-track our efforts to design interstellar spacecraft capable of surpassing current space technology limitations. In his vision for SpaceX, Elon Musk has long aimed at deep space missions. These findings not only inspire him but also propel his motivation to develop revolutionary technologies to reach even farther. Could the data transmitted by Voyager 1 be the catalyst for a new chapter in interstellar exploration? According to Musk, this recent breakthrough confirms that the universe is brimming with enigmas yet to be unraveled, and that we are only just beginning to listen. This moment in history may mark the beginning of a new era, one where interstellar exploration is not just a dream, but a tangible scientific pursuit. The implications of Voyager 1's findings extend far beyond our understanding of the heliopause. They challenge the very foundations of astrophysics, pushing scientists to revise long-held assumptions about the nature of space and the forces that govern it. Institutions like NASA, the European Space Agency, and private companies like SpaceX are already discussing the next generation of missions. Probes with updated sensors, AI-enhanced navigation systems, and faster propulsion technologies are being conceptualized, not just to follow Voyager's path, but to go deeper and stay longer in interstellar space. For humanity, this is more than science. It's a step toward understanding our place in the cosmos. If Voyager 1 has taught us anything, it's that the universe is far more dynamic and mysterious than we ever imagined. The strange magnetic pulses it detected at the edge of our solar system could be the first sign of deeper cosmic structures, possibly even mechanisms that govern energy flow at galactic scales. And then comes the philosophical question. If our solar system is connected to the galaxy through invisible energetic pathways, what else might be out there? Could intelligent civilizations use these pathways? Could they be a means of communication, or even travel? These questions, once confined to science fiction, are slowly entering the realm of scientific possibility. Meanwhile, Voyager 1 continues to sail farther into interstellar space, carrying with it the golden record, humanity's message to the stars. Aboard the spacecraft, etched into gold and copper, are the sounds of Earth, greetings in 55 languages, music by Bach and Chuck Berry, recordings of wind, rain, and a mother's kiss to her child. A time capsule meant for any being who might someday find it. It's humbling to think that, right now, Voyager 1 is silently gliding through a region of space no human has ever seen, far from any planet or star, still doing its job, still sending back whispers from the deep. And as long as it continues to communicate, we will listen. Because with every signal, every byte of data, Voyager 1 reminds us that exploration is in our nature, and that the story of space is still being written, one discovery at a time. Are only now beginning to develop the tools to investigate them. We cannot eliminate the potential for unidentified life forms or biological processes interacting with solar system structures in ways we don't yet comprehend. While it might seem like the stuff of science fiction, each revelation nudges us closer to answering humanity's most compelling question: are we truly alone in the cosmos? Each transmission, each signal that Voyager 1 relays from its distant location, adds one more puzzle piece to the grand picture. In the not-so-distant future, these data might help us identify signs of extraterrestrial life in interstellar space. Voyager 1 has crossed boundaries no other human-made object has ever achieved. It has illuminated the scale and mystery of the universe. Though its mission may be nearing its final days, the scientific inquiries it has sparked will resonate across generations. We live on a small, fragile planet located at the periphery of a seemingly infinite galaxy. Thanks to Voyager 1, we now realize that forces beyond our understanding influence our cosmic neighborhood. What other astounding phenomena might await us? Voyager 1 is a testament to human curiosity and the enduring spirit of exploration. The next monumental discovery may be just beyond reach, waiting. If you're passionate about exploring the cosmos and staying updated with revolutionary space findings, subscribe and hit the notification bell. More awe-inspiring revelations are on the horizon, and we invite you to be part of the journey. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Looking to the future, the lasting impact of Voyager 1. As we look ahead, the implications of Voyager 1's revelations go far beyond astrophysics. They touch the very essence of human wonder. For thousands of years, we've gazed skyward, speculating on what lies beyond. And now, thanks to a spacecraft launched over 4 decades ago, we're finally uncovering answers we never imagined possible. The story of Voyager 1 is more than just data and hardware. It's a symbol of resilience, imagination, and our relentless drive to uncover universal truths. Each time we receive a signal from this tiny emissary in interstellar space, we are reminded, discovery is woven into the fabric of who we are. And yet, this is only the beginning. What Voyager 1 has revealed could pave the way for a new era of interstellar missions that won't require decades to reach the heliopause, but may take only years. With rapid advancements in space propulsion systems, artificial intelligence, and miniaturized sensor technology, the next generation of spacecraft could be faster, more intelligent, and better equipped to explore the depths of space. Global space organizations, from NASA and the European Space Agency, ESA, to SpaceX, ISRO, and CNSA, are actively exploring interstellar prospects. There's growing interest in long-term probes, not just to traverse, but to deeply examine the interstellar medium. Thanks to Voyager 1, our view of the solar system's outer edge has already changed forever. It's no longer simply a boundary of orbiting planets. It's a dynamic, reactive zone influenced by both known and mysterious cosmic forces. It's a place where the principles we assume to be constant begin to shift and evolve. Imagine a future where spacecraft powered by nuclear fusion or solar light sails navigate between star systems, propelled by Earth-based laser beams. These innovative vehicles could one day reach Alpha Centauri, Proxima b, and even more distant planetary systems, bringing us closer to solving the ultimate cosmic riddle: are we alone in the universe? But this isn't solely about discovery. It's about legacy. Voyager 1 carries the golden record, a time capsule containing Earth's sounds, languages, and music. If intelligent life ever encounters it, they'll hear our greetings in 55 languages, the laughter of children, and the heartbeat of our planet. Voyager is humanity's message in a bottle, floating across the vast ocean of space. What comes next? We build on the legacy of Voyager. We venture farther. We invest in cutting-edge space technologies that will enable us to reach other stars, not only with instruments, but one day with human presence. And we keep listening. To Voyager. To the cosmos. To the silence between the stars. Because one thing is certain, the universe is speaking. And thanks to Voyager 1, we've begun to understand the language. As the stars shimmer quietly above us, we're reminded that space is not empty. It is alive with potential, charged with questions we've yet to ask. Voyager 1, now traveling farther than any object crafted by human hands, remains our silent observer in the void. Its faint signals are like whispers in a cosmic cathedral, reminders that curiosity can reach beyond gravity and time. In the coming decades, we may launch missions not only to observe but to interact, to send probes capable of autonomous thought, analyzing the unknown in real time. These next-generation emissaries may glide through magnetic storms on exoplanets, dip into the atmospheres of distant gas giants, or land softly on icy moons that conceal oceans below. And when they do, they'll owe their path to the trail Voyager 1 blazed. This isn't just science. It's a story of human determination. A global, collective hope etched into metal, launched into silence, now echoing across light years. As we forge ahead, we must also remember to look back, not just to Voyager, but to the Earth it left behind. The golden record carries more than music and greetings. It carries our fingerprint, an imprint of who we are at our most curious, most united, and most daring. In a universe that stretches beyond imagination, Voyager reminds us of something vital. That meaning is not just found in answers, but in the pursuit. That even from the edge of our solar system, a whisper can travel light years. And that perhaps, somewhere out there, someone, or something, is listening. So we keep building. We keep dreaming. We keep sending questions into the dark, knowing that every answer, like every signal from Voyager, begins with a spark of wonder. The universe is vast. But so is our resolve.